Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it.
You can use the parent node append method to insert one or more elements or strings at the end of a set of elements inside a shared parent. Call the parent node append method on the parent node and pass in one or more new elements or strings as arguments. For example, here I have an unordered list with an ID list and a handful of list items inside it. Let's say I wanted to create a new list item and add it to the end of this list. Rather than getting the last item and adding something after it, I can append an item to the parent. To do that, I'm going to use the document createElement method to create my list item and give it some I am new here text. And then I'm going to use the document querySelector method to get my unordered list. Finally, I call the append method on my list and pass in my new list item as an argument. And if we jump over to the browser, you can see now that the I am new here list item has been added to this list of elements. You can use it to append more than one item. For example, let's say I created a second list item that says I'm new here too. I can pass both of those in as arguments to my list append method, and they'll both show up in the UI. Now you can see I have my 3 original list items plus my 2 new ones.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.